Check this out. This right here is welded, and it's also welded right there. No play. But then check this out. This side, no welds, and then when you move it, it moves. That is no good. No good. No good. No good. I had a lot of play on the bucket, and then I thought that I wore out the pins or the bushings, but the bushings are nice and tight. Nice and tight. No play there. This is a problem. So I would suggest you guys to check this in your machines as well. Yep. Check that out. I'm gonna weld that tomorrow. The machine already has 30 hours. So it's been running like this for 30 hours. Not good. Alright. Bye.